Hello everyone, it's Karina. I'm gonna be doing a unboxing of some Happy Mail that I received from my pen pal Louise. I got her package, I want to say like 2 days ago, and I'm super excited to open it. She put everything inside this cute pink box with some gold polka dots, and on top she has this really pretty pink tissue paper. I did take a peek, so that's why this was packaged a lot cuter with everything all organized in there, but I did take a little peek, but I didn't open all of the little packages that she has in here. So this is all the pretty shred that she used, and she also had these little tiny bows in there, perfect for Christmas time. And then this cool, like I don't know what type of material this is, but that's pretty cute. I love how she mixed it in with some of this brown shred. Oops. And inside the box it also has these really cute stars. I'm going to be saving those. Oh, and I forgot to mention, she did wrap her box in this really pretty wrapping paper. Whoops, I want to show her address, but look how pretty that is. It has some rose gold accents on it. So I'm gonna open this cute little box first. Sorry if it's a little too bright, but it has this little tag. I should probably take everything out and take a picture first. Okay, so now that I quickly took a picture, I'm just gonna go ahead and open things up. I'm super excited. So I was gonna open this cute little box. And inside, oh how cute! She has these little super tiny pine cones. That is so adorable. And I'll open this next. This is a cute makeup bag, and the lashes are gold. So in here, she gifted me this really cool plumping lip mask, and I haven't tried anything like this before, so I'm super excited to give this a whirl. And then she also sent me this really cute pen, and it matches her wrapping paper. It has this really cute swan on it. That's so adorable, and it's rose gold. And there's also this really, I love this color. It's 3D Pearl Effects. So it says it adds color and texture to craft projects, and that color is beautiful. I love that. I'm gonna open this next. Oh, might as well go through this. Looks like she made me some embellishments. These are really cute. I don't have this die, and she used a bunch of different cardstock and glittered paper. That is so cute, and the colors are beautiful. I love the colors that she picked. Next, I'm gonna open this pretty bag. I love how she decorated it with this cute little clothespin. This is a really cute collection. I don't think I've seen it before. Look how cute that is. It's a little shaker pocket. So in here, she gifted me these really pretty glitters. And then, oh how cute, she gave me a mini paper pad This one, I think that's probably like their craft store in the UK. It says Hobby Craft. And let's go look at the papers. How cute. I love the realistic, ooh, this one's really adorable. Wow, that's super cute. I feel like this would be cute for pocket letters. Look at the cute deer. Wow. I absolutely love this. That's super cute. So we'll go ahead and open this one next. I love, 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 love this yarn. It has glitter on it. And I don't know if she made this, but it's a super cute snow globe shaker. I don't want to ruin this wrapping paper because it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, how pretty. Is this a calendar? Oh my goodness. This is absolutely adorable. Hey, look at this, matches my nails. This is so cute. It even has a swan on it. There's like a swan theme and I love it. I think she loves swans as well. But look at it, it's a 2021 calendar. That is so adorable. I absolutely love this. Thank you so much, Louise. Look how cute that box is. With love at Christmas. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna save this. That is so adorable. So in here, I'm gonna cry if it's an ornament. It feels like an ornament. She sent me one last year too, of this like cotton candy machine. It feels like an ornament. I don't know, you guys. Let's see. Oh, I see little feet. It looks like ballerina. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It is an ornament. How cute. It's a little ballerina elephant. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness, Louise, you're so sweet. So I'm gonna hang this on my tree. All right, let's see what's next. Let's go through some of the handmade embellishments. She made these flowers and it looks like it was made out of like some ribbon. That's super cute. And then look at these really pretty swans that she made me. I love the cluster of flowers down there. And then the paper she used is so pretty. And then she also made me these. They're like little frame shakers. This one says Merry Christmas. And then Merry Merry. So she used some of the Snow and Cocoa paper collection. And then we also have, wow, these super pretty rosettes. I love how she decorated the top as well. It has like the little fake snow around it. That's a super cute way to make them Christmassy. I love that. And then next we have this. I need to get twine like this. This looks like perfect for packaging. So in here, oh, we have some more goodies. Wow, these are super cute. This has like the days, and it's in this really pretty glittery paper. I think they're wood veneers. They feel like wood veneers. But that's super cute. And then more flowers. You guys, I love getting flowers. Last thing I have to share is This looks like a tag flip. Look how cute that is. It's so pretty. I love the pink and gold theme. Ooh, look at this, a really pretty charm. And she also has this tassel on it. This is Let It Snow. She even used the little, I forget what these are called. But how cute! This is a shaker. And then I love how she used some of her handmade embellishments. Gives you some ideas. I feel like the lighting on my camera looks a little weird because I kind of have the brightness on because it's dark outside now, but I really wanted to upload this video. But it's kind of hard to see that, but this is a really cute mix of sequins. This says Mary on it. I love how this is heart-shaped. And I love how she uses different collections. Oh my goodness. Look at these felt toppers. It says Snow Cool. Oh my gosh, their little bellies. And look at this. This ephemera piece is absolutely adorable. And she has this little girl on the back with some more of her really pretty flowers. And then this dress has the little swans on it. Then we have a little embellishment with another swan. And then this has a little lollipop charm on it. That is so cute. Oh, look at that cute little sticker shaker. But yeah, that is everything that I got from Louise. Thank you so much. I absolutely love everything per usual. I will link her Instagram down below, so don't forget to follow her if you're not already. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and a huge shout out to Louise. Thank you for being my pen pal and swapping with me. And yeah, that's everything that I have for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone.